Tired of your phone's lagging? Or the pop-up notifications telling you that your storage is full? Stay tuned to the end of this short video, as I share with you how to create enough space without getting a memory card. Welcome back, I'm Joseph and I hope you're excited to be here. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." I will personally reply to your comment in no time. Also, please tap on the notification bell to get updates. Almost everyone with a smartphone has a memory card. We all know that memory cards are bought because our phone's internal storage gets full, and this could hinder the functioning of other applications at the same time. This could lead to frustration, and be disheartening for some people literally, because their phones have become the offices they see. No more worries, there is a remedy. Instead of being in a haste to buy a memory card, I'll be sharing with you how you can create space on your phone. Here is what most of us don't know: every application that has been installed on our phones has data and cache which increases as often as we use the app, and whatever you do on that app is stored in the cache. For instance, when you have a game installed on your phone, your already achieved level on that game does not change even when the phone's switched off. This is all because your progress has been stored in your cache, and that storage is part of what occupies the space on your phone. So, stay tight as I share with you, with a picture-by-picture explanation, on how to clear your cache and data and have more space. Voila! First of all, go to Settings. Now, click on Storage. Then, click on Phone Storage, or Internal Shared Storage. The next is to click on App. You will really be surprised how much space the cache and data of some of the apps on your phone consumes. Let's use Google Drive for this example. Once you touch on the clear data, the cache and data from this app will be cleared. Now check out how much more space you've gained on your phone. So, imagine doing this for all the apps on your phone. The result is really amazing. But you should know that every time you clear the data and cache, some information get lost. Therefore, you should exempt some apps like WhatsApp from this. Hope you had some value on this. So, let me know what you think. Do comment, like, and share. Also help educate a friend. If you want more videos on all how-to activities, comment below, stating what kind you desire. And if you haven't, do subscribe now to get notifications and updates whenever I create a new video so that you miss nothing. Do have an awesome day and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.